You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x equal or smaller than 5/34. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all x terms on the left side of the inequality. Add 36x to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 5 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 34. Simplify the fraction. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x equal or smaller than 5/34.